You ready? Let's go.
You ready? 14-minute workout. Coldest official water bottle of this channel. Right down in the descriptions. Click away. Check it out. Whole bunch of different types down there. It's the reason why it's called the coldest. 24 hours later, come back. It's still refreshing enough to take a drink. Workout channel. The oil-filled workout guy. We feature the Bowflex Max Trainer here. That's what I like to work out on. That's what I come to you to work out on. And to make it easy, right down in the descriptions, you're a click away from Bowflex. If you watch my other video on buying a Bowflex, unfortunately, I like to keep straight up and honest. Before you click down there, go check it out, go read everything about it, but they are having a hard time keeping them in stock. They offer the Total and this 6 right now. Check Amazon, get the M7, get the M5, get the M8. Check retail stores like Dick's. I'm just trying to help you guys out because it's more important for me to get you back here and work out with me than to be just clicking links and not finding your equipment. So maybe one day we'll do something on that. So, 14-minute workout. Spin my machine one time here to activate it. So all you got to do is give it a spin and it activates. So, get yourself a drink of water. You have an alternative heart monitor, guys. Set that right now. Up, 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 up. Here we go. Beginners, brand new. Stick at your own pace. If you cannot hang with this pace, do not get discouraged. Do not stop. I don't care if you have to crawl across the finish line. Don't stop. Get your 14 minutes in. It's more important than what the numbers are. Okay. Are we ready? I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Hit the max button. If you have to reset your resistance, make sure you do that. 15 seconds. Put mine on 14, I didn't like it. 5 seconds, come on. Okay. Recover, recover, recover. Deep breath. I think that one kind of hard at best. Took a little bit out of me. Get my deep breath in. Make sure I recover. 30 seconds. Round 2. Go as slow as you need to, guys. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Interval training, come on. up there for you to watch for a little inspiration. But by all means, if you can't recover at the rate that I am, drop it way down. out. Seconds. 2, 1, let's go. Just do your best. 15, 10, 5, bring it down. Now, you can only do the 7 minutes. You got one more round. But I want you to try all of them. Some of your machines don't have the 7 minutes. But when we go past the 4th round, if you don't think you can keep sprinting, at least keep pacing. Just get your 14 minutes in. Too many people quit. Just stop because you can't. You can't do it like somebody else. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Embarrassed? Just keep spinning. Time to recover. Seconds. Round 5 coming up. Remember, if you can't sprint, keep pacing. Stopping is not an excuse. There's no for it. 10 seconds. 2, 1, let's go. Kick your butt if you have to, like I am. Round 6. 1. Let's go. Full body workout. Come on. 10 seconds. Bring it down. Close your eyes if you have to. Forget about the numbers. Listen to the beat. I'll tell you when it's time to go. Seconds. Round 7. Seconds. 2, 1. Let's go. Push it. Push it. Don't stop. Seconds. 1. Bring it down. 1 left. Time for your recovery. And if you're not recovering, it means you're going too fast. You're outside of your means. 1. Excellent. Excellent, man. Pro, beginner, novice, just got your machine, had it for 3 years, I don't care. Excellent job today. Guys, remember, the ones that say they can't do the 14-minute can't do the number that they had pictured in their mind. You could do the 14 minutes, but mentally, you are not going to get past whatever you've been doing unless you force yourself just to do 14 minutes. If you keep stopping short, your mind's going to play games on you and stop you short every time. Okay? That's why we go through the finish line here. Before you know it, you'll be doing a half hour on this machine. I have confidence in you. I have confidence in this channel. It's the only one to get you across the finish line. So tell all your friends, tell all your family members, and most important, you keep coming back. All right, we'll talk to you later.